Are you tired of driving in the dark with weak headlights, feeling like you're taking a risk with your safety on the road? I know I wouldn't want to, and that's why I'm excited to share with you my review of the Chevy Impala headlights, a product designed specifically for Chevy Impala owners who want to upgrade their vehicle's lighting system. This headlight assembly is perfect for those who want to improve their visibility while driving at night, and it solves the problem of weak and outdated headlights that can be a hazard on the road. Whether you're driving on a long road trip or just commuting to work, these headlights can make a big difference in your safety and confidence behind the wheel. Let's break down the specs of this product, because each component is carefully designed to work together to provide a safe and comfortable driving experience. It has an H9 high beam, which is great for long-distance driving and provides excellent illumination for those dark highways. The H11 low beam is perfect for city driving, where you need to be able to see what's right in front of you without being blinded by too much light. The 100W Max bulb provides ample lighting without being too harsh, and it's designed to last a long time so you don't have to worry about replacing it often. The polycarbonate lens is durable and resistant to scratches, which means it can withstand the rigors of daily driving. The chrome housing gives it a sleek and premium look that will make your Chevy Impala stand out from the crowd. And the amber reflector adds a touch of style while also improving visibility, especially in foggy or rainy conditions. Each of these specs matters because they work together to provide a safe and comfortable driving experience, and they're all designed to be easy to use and maintain. Imagine driving on a dark highway with these headlights, feeling confident and safe as you cruise down the road. Or picture yourself driving through a foggy city street, with the amber reflector cutting through the fog and illuminating the road ahead. These scenarios are a reality with the Chevy Impala headlights, and they're just a few examples of how these headlights can improve your driving experience. Whether you're driving in the city or on the highway, these headlights can help you see more clearly and react more quickly to hazards on the road. And with their durable construction and long-lasting bulbs, you can trust that they'll keep performing well for a long time. In my honest review, I have to say that these headlights are a game changer. The best thing about them is the improved visibility they provide, which can make a big difference in your safety and confidence behind the wheel. However, some users may find the installation process a bit tricky, so be sure to follow the instructions carefully and consider seeking help if you're not comfortable with DIY projects. I give them a rating of 9 out of 10. And I think they're definitely worth the investment for any Chevy Impala owner who wants to upgrade their vehicle's lighting system. With their excellent performance, durable construction, and stylish design, these headlights are a great choice for anyone who wants to improve their driving experience. If you're interested in getting your hands on these amazing headlights, check out the link in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more product reviews and updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Whether you're a seasoned car enthusiast or just looking for a way to improve your daily commute, I hope you found this review helpful and informative.